Career Tech Welding is a 2-year program offered to juniors and seniors in the Parma City School District. Junior year, the students are introduced to all different types of welding: MIG, stick, TIG, flux core. Senior year was when we really focus on earning the industry credentials, the welding certifications. Students do the test here, and then when we're confident, we actually take their weld sample and we send it to a lab and they test it, and if it passes at the lab, that's when they are issued their welding certification. We have an articulation agreement set up with Tri-C, so on top of their welding certification, students can also earn college credit. We also do stuff for the community, so it's not just focusing on the certifications, that's the main part of it, but we also build, stuff that's a little bit more fun. We've got a really good relationship with Lincoln Electric. They've been real helpful. Students, they let us go on a couple field trips there a year. Once they go through this program, they're ready to go ahead and start right in the workplace with real industry credentials and, more importantly, real experience using the same equipment, same standards, same specifications that are used in industry. If you're a student with good hand-eye coordination, not afraid to get your hands dirty, a good work ethic, the welding program here at Parma City Schools is definitely a good fit for you.